I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to teach you how to delete Quora account. For that, first of all, open up your Quora app on your phone. After you open up your app, on top left you'll see your profile icon. Tap on it. At the bottom of your screen you'll see the option of settings. Tap on settings. Now go to privacy. Scroll down, and at the bottom of the page you'll see the option of delete account. Tap on it. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to delete the account. Tap on delete. This way you can easily delete your Quora account. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.